Okay, so here we are back at the workshop again. Tim and my buddy Benjamin, you had another question for me about some of these old tools.
What is the oldest thing in the workshop?
The oldest tool I have in the workshop, I believe it's these old molding planes. And I believe these are from the early 1800s. I was at an event down in Richmond, Virginia a couple weeks ago, and there was a gentleman there that had brought some tools in, and it was stuff that his great-great-great-grandfather had made, and they had a company, and some of the stuff he had letters from the family going back and forth correspondences, and they were dated 1839, and he was making molding planes like this.
Oh, wow.
So I would suggest that these are probably from the early to middle 1800s, and this is the oldest one that I have an actual patent date on. This is a Stanley No. 113 compass plane, and it's got a patent date here of June 17 of 1879. 1879. So these are probably the oldest ones. These are probably from the mid 1800s. And the coolest thing about them, these old molding planes like this, when you sharpen them up and put them to use, they work just as good today as they did all those years ago. So we're probably talking about tools here that are in the neighborhood of 160 to 150, 140 years old. Oh, the number of hands that have held this and used it over those years, if it could tell the history of its being produced and used, you know, and way back then, if you wanted your piece of wood to have a rounded over edge like this, that's the way you got it. There wasn't such thing as a router or anything like that with blades on it. So
I feel like this was the first hand plane ever made.
Yeah, that wasn't one of the first ones. It's just that has a very unique purpose to it that we'll get into another day. But that's a really neat plane. But in answer to your question, the oldest thing in the shop are these cool old molding planes. They still work as well today as they did all those years ago. So go ahead and comment on that if you would. And as always, thank you for stopping by.
Bye.